What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andy and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MULN stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the news, and I have to admit that yesterday when I made my previous video I was wrong, and I will show you the exact facts of that. On top of that, I will reveal you my position on MULN, and I will show you why I am still making these videos. And at the end of this video I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So first of all, let me show you that we are on pre-market hours, and this asset broke its previous all-time low. And on my previous video that I made yesterday, I've told you that most likely this asset should break its all-time low by the end of this week. And this is why I was wrong, because it already broke it to the downside, and the lowest point so far is 65 cents. Definitely it is quite a weak price action, and no one can stop this asset from the free fall. And let me show you why I think so. We don't have any news in their press release section. We don't have any news from David Michery except this tweet that he reposted 12 hours ago. And he wrote MULN News, and it was originally made by Mullen Automotive official Twitter account. And as you can see, it says MULN Commercial kicked off Electric Utility Fleet Managers Conference this morning with a drive-through demonstration featuring our MULN 1 Class 1 EV cargo van and MULN 3 Class 3 electric low cab forward. And here you can see the video, and David Michery didn't allow people to make the comments on this tweet. And he does it intentionally because he don't want to see all the negativity from the retail community. And here you can see from the official Mullen Automotive Twitter account, we have an ability to comment on this tweet. And here you can find a lot of comments with the negativity towards this company. And unfortunately, we still don't have any updates from Lawrence Hart with his 100% trust me bro $10 billion contract with Saudi Arabia. We have just the fact that he don't want to do anything, he don't want to deal with Mullen Automotive, and he stated this in his post right here. He wrote, "My deals are moving forward with or without Mullen." And definitely, for now, we don't have any evidence that Mullen Automotive has any type of contracts with Lawrence Hart's company. And because of this, we cannot rely on the magic, so-called magic black box EMM technology. And let me show you quite interesting comment that Michael Fontanas made 4 hours ago, right here on my previous video. And he wrote, "Okay, I had my boss is chief transportation officer speak to the head of municipal fleet in DC, and they say the Chevy Volts have been getting 45 to 58% more range." So, quite positive on the first glance. But then he added, "The bosses are in the same association of government fleets managers Northeast chapter. On car wasn't getting more mileage, but it turned out the unit was installed incorrectly." And let me show you my answer. You have answered your own question. There are no improvements in real-life usage, nor should there be any. Furthermore, can you even fathom an engineer incorrectly installing a device that simply consists of 2 wires? It's even more puzzling that they managed to install it correctly during a dinner test, but failed to do so on an actual car. So, and I have to say that you cannot rely on this technology because it is a fake technology. No one can breach the laws of physics, and you cannot receive an energy, magic energy, out of thin air. And guys, let me answer you the question that I see quite often in my comments. Let me show you this. Why do you cover a stock that you don't support? Shorting. And here is the reason. I do not hold any position on MULN. My primary concern lies with people's financial well-being. Up to this point, 9 individuals have reached out to express gratitude because I was able to minimize their losses. Remarkably, a few among them had not even invested in MULN. Consequently, I successfully shielded them from any potential financial setbacks. And this is the main reason why I'm still making these videos. And you might argue that I receive a lot of money from YouTube, but let me show you this. Every video on MULN, every my video collects not more than 600 to 700 views. And let me show you that right here. If you type in YouTube search bar MULN stock, you will not find any of my videos. This means I'm not in the top 10 or top 20 YouTubers who makes these videos. And let me show you that, for example, Financial Journey, he published this video 8 hours ago and he already collected 4.2 thousand views. So almost 10 times more than my video collected. And my video was made 17 hours ago. This means, guys, I don't care about money. I make my money from trading. And the only reason why I'm making this video is to protect your capital. And let me show you information that might be very important for you if you still think that this asset is quite valuable from the investor standpoint. Right here you can find on Reddit thread related to MULN. You can find the post made by Post Hoc Ergo, and shout out to him because he also made very good statements in his Twitter account regarding MULN. And he wrote this. According to the 10Q that they recently published, as of May 12, 2023, a total of 172.5 million shares of the registered common stock per value $0.001 per share were issued and outstanding. According to today's 424 filing, as of June 1st, 2023, we had outstanding 218.361 million shares of common stock. So that's an increase of 27% in 3 weeks. And guys, how you can invest in this company that is consistently diluting its shareholders? Let me show you his recent update. Post Hoc made this tweet 17 hours ago and he wrote, well, that 218 million shares was MULN outstanding as of Thursday. Today they issued another almost 19.5 million shares to Equitas and another 8 million immediately exercisable warrants and another 50 million warrants exercisable at 0.7255 if MULN shares somehow ever get back there. Unprecedented dilution. And guys, how can you imagine that this stock might go higher with these mind-blowing numbers of dilution? It doesn't make sense and it never happens. On top of that, a lot of people wrote me in the comment section that this company should be okay without the dilution. But guys, without the dilution, they have to file its bankruptcy. They cannot hold their position on the market because they don't have any money at all. And this is the dilution is the only way how they can still be tradable for now for New York Stock Exchange, but definitely they will be deleted from this exchange and eventually they will be on the OTC markets with the extremely low price of their shares. That is why I highly recommend you not to enter any long position with this asset. And guys, I don't have any position on MULN. I just want to help you to preserve your capital. And that is why the upcoming day will be definitely in red, because in recent days and recent months and recent years, this asset is consistently moving south. It lost a lot of its value. Let me show you that from its peak on March 18th, 2022, it lost, let's take a look, it lost more than 99.43% of its value. And even from this February alone, from this January, from the highest point of this year, this asset already lost 94% of its value. How you can even imagine that this asset will go higher with these extremely high levels of dilution and with this crappy management? It doesn't make sense. That's why just stay aside from any trades of MULN if you don't know what to do with your potential position. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only got